At Dakota County Technical College, we have an exciting program for anyone who wants to work in the beer industry. The Brewing and Beer Steward Technology program is a one-year course that teaches you everything you need to know to brew your own beer, work in a brewery as a brewer, or even own your own brewery. We focus on the science of brewing, from chemistry to biology, as well as the hands-on skills you need to work in a brewery today. Students get to brew here on our pilot systems, as well as practicing the same cleaning and sanitizing routines that big breweries use. Students even get to come up with their own recipes and try them out here on our pilot system. Hi, my name is Andrew Burns, and before becoming an instructor at Dakota County Technical College, I worked in breweries. First, I was a brewer and then a brewery manager, and I am excited to share everything I've learned in industry with the next generation of brewers. The brewing classes at DCTC offer a pretty unique solution for those who want to get into the brewing industry. We know you're probably not a traditional college student, you probably already have a Monday to Friday job, maybe you already work in a brewery. That's why we run all of our classes on Saturdays. It just takes one school year and you can learn everything you need to make the leap and jump into the world of brewing when you're ready. Our classes offer a mix of traditional classroom instruction as well as hands-on learning here in what we call the Brewing Lab. That's where students get to brew on our pilot systems and emulate all of the same processes that big breweries use, but here on the small scale. And then take that theory and knowledge learned in the lab and go put it to practice in their own jobs. One of my favorite aspects of the curriculum is the spring internship. We work with local breweries to make sure that every student gets the chance to shadow their head brewer and learn from an actual production facility. Students get to take what they've learned here in the classes and in the lab and go put that into practice. There's no substitute for real-world on-the-job learning, and the internship is a foot in the door for all of our students. Okay, so maybe you're interested and you're wondering if this is the right program for you. Well, chances are it is. The brewing program at DCTC primarily serves three types of students. The first are those that have a passion for beer and want to get into brewing as a career. At the end of the curriculum, students will have all the knowledge and skills they need to go work as a cellar person, assistant brewer, shift brewer, or even head brewer. The second category of students are those that see themselves as brewery owners. They want to open their own brewery and they want to do it right. And finally, there's just the beer nerds, those that love beer, love to brew beer, and want to learn everything they can about beer and brewing. You don't have to quit your day job just because you take this curriculum, and students do join just for fun. If you're here to learn, we have knowledge to impart. At the end of the day, if you have a passion for beer, want to get into or advance in the beer industry, and you're here to learn, then this program is perfect for you.